change the language of the audio or the track of any video in your YouTube application in Android. So hey guys, if you're having or pondering up on the same question, and if you want to change the track of the audio that you are listening to in your YouTube application, then this video is for you. So let us see how to do this. So the first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube application and make sure that whatever video you want to change the audio of has been uploaded with the necessary audio files or tracks. If there are no different tracks for different languages present in the video itself, then there is nothing much that we can do. So for example, I have this particular podcast open in front of me and this is in different languages. So I will just show you that this part currently is set up in Hindi. So let us hear this.
आधुनिक भारत की नींव के इतिहास पर नजर डाल.
So now if I want to change it to some other language, so for example let's say English, so what I'm gonna do is simply head on to the settings icon, and then once you have done that, you can see this option of audio track. So simply click on the audio track and here you will see other options. So for example, let's choose it to Russian and let's try to play it again.
तो наряду с вами Махатма.
And here you can see that it has successfully changed the audios or the tracks. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.